friend, motivator, and guide to IAS aspirant, international motivational speaker, leadership trainer, CEO, coach, political strategist, and policy advisor. Welcome to ASGIS. ASGIS believe in quality, commitment, and success, an institute for IAS preparation. We are discussing General Studies Mains Paper 1997. Before starting the questions and analysis, I would like to request to please share, subscribe, and like. Listen carefully again and again. Listen carefully again and again. Question is, what do you understand by Heaven's Gate? What do you understand by Heaven's Gate? Why was it famous? Heaven's Gate is a cult in US. Heaven's Gate is a cult in US, founded in 1975 by Marshall Harf, Applewhite, and Noni Liu Nettles. They believed that they were to enter the Heaven's Gate, and a time will come when a call will be given to them for that. This cult was in news recently because the members, total 39 in numbers, had committed mass suicide on March 27, 1997. The mean age of the group members with equal sex ratio was about 46.7 years. They had lethal cocktail of phenobarbital, and vodka to commit suicide. They believed that Hale-Bopp, an unusually bright comet, was a sign that they were supposed to set their earthly bodies or containers, as they called it, and join a space supposed to set their earthly bodies, a spacecraft traveling behind the comet that would take them to a higher plane of existence. Question number 2. What fallover can the Mir troubles have on the future of US-Russian cooperation in space? What fallover can the Mir troubles have on the future of US-Russian cooperation in space? So basically it's related to the current affairs. It's not very relevant at present time. What is VDIS? What is VDIS? What does it aim at? The VDIS is the Voluntary Disclosure of Income Scheme. It was started by Finance Minister P. Chidambaram. The scheme was launched in July 1997. It aimed at bringing on surface the black money, snub, and undisclosed assets in Indian economy. It was to raise tax revenue by providing an opportunity to disclose assets and money by paying required taxes with no provision of punishment or explanation. It was successful and could raise more than 100 billion rupees as revenue. It was launched in phases. On what grounds India did not sign the CTBT? CTBT, Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. India did not sign CTBT on the following grounds. Number 1, it does not make provision for nuclear weapon free world. Number 2, no provision for disarmament of nuclear weapons. Number 3, no time limit for cut in number of nuclear weapons. Number 4, no limits upon developed countries to experiment by use of supercomputer. Number 5, it's just an instrument to prevent nuclear powerless developing countries from enter the nuclear club. Now these are some important books and it's very important. The God of Small Things. The God of Small Things, written by Arundhati Roy. The God of Small Things, written by Arundhati Roy. A Suitable Boy, Vikram Seth. A Suitable Boy, Vikram Seth. A Suitable Boy, Vikram Seth. Nice Guys finish second. Mulk Raj Anand. Who are the following? Mahasweta Devi. She is a Bengali novelist. She has been honored with a Gyanpith Award and the Magsase Award. Shivaji Ganesan, a Tamil film actor, honored with the National Award, the Special Jury Award for his performance in his 280th movie Devar Mangan in 1992. Sanjay Ghosh, social worker, environmental activist. He was detained on 4th July 1997 by the United Liberation Front of Assam, ULFA. Sanath Jayasuriya, he is a Sri Lankan cricketer and has been a member of the team since 1989. He was instrumental in Sri Lanka's victory in 1996 World Cup, where he was adjudged man of the tournament in recognition of all-round contribution. He was named as one of the Western cricketers of the 1997. Martina Hingis, a Swiss women tennis player born in Czechoslovakia, now Slovakia. She has won 5 Grand Slams, 3 Austrian Open, 1 Wimbledon Open, 1 US Open. Eva Majoli, women tennis player from Croatia. She won the French Open in 1997 and rose to career high, ranking in 4th position. Mike Tyson, he was a heavyweight boxer. He is the youngest man to win the World Heavyweight Boxing Championship. Mother Teresa, a Roman Catholic nun, she founded Missionaries of Charity to work for destitute. She was awarded with Bharat Ratna, Nobel Peace Prize, Magsaysay Award and Templeton Award. Name the directors of the following film. Train to Pakistan, director Pamela Rooks. Sardari Begum, director Shyam Benegal. Saj, director Sai Paranjai. Batman and Robin, director Tim Burton. Thank you so much.